She's cute, she's cute, she's cute, she's cute. Hey, hey, finally styling this jacket. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Norah and thank you so much for watching. Before we jump into today's video, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow your girl on Instagram because you already know we're growing the family across all platforms. So baby, we are back with a styling video. Finally, it has been long overdue. I can't even tell you the last time I did a styling video on my channel. I know a lot of you enjoy when I do kind of like the 5 ways to style series here, showing you 5 different ways to style a specific item. Y'all probably can already tell because she is the star of the show and she's already taking over. But today we are going to be styling this fabulous denim jacket from Alexander Wang. If you follow me on TikTok, I will have it linked down below like I always do. Definitely follow me there. I did kind of like an unboxing first impressions when I got this jacket, and baby, worth every penny. Absolutely love the jacket and I have been styling it like no tomorrow. If you also watched my video where I kind of talked about 2023 fashion trends, we talked about denim. Denim is definitely nothing new, but it is here for 2023 and surely not going anywhere. And specifically like oversized denim and structured denim. I asked you guys if you wanted to see me kind of styling a couple of those different trends, and then naturally with me getting this jacket, the denim trend was definitely one. Folks wanted to see how I would style, you know, the oversized structured denim jacket. So without further ado, I'm bringing you 5 different looks today, 5 different ways that I would style this jacket in particular. Obviously, you don't need this exact jacket to execute these looks. Any oversized denim jacket will work, but this is kind of the one I've been loving and styling as of late. As always, this video is just kind of like a little bit of guide, some inspo on different ways to pull some looks. Take what you love, leave what you hate. Hopefully just give you some inspiration on different looks. So y'all know, like I always say, your girl can talk a lot, so let's jump right into the video. Now y'all know I always have my cell phone here with my notes just to make sure I don't forget anything kind of going through all the different looks. So the first look should definitely be no surprise. It is definitely a look that I gravitate to a lot. I've actually put this look together in another video before, but we're just gonna start out real simple and easy with a gorgeous kind of like off-white cream sweater dress. And then I paired it with, y'all already know, my tried and true Croc boots that I got from Express. The dress is pretty old. I think I got that from Forever 21 a couple years ago. Y'all know I love shopping my closet. I always tell you, check your closet first because more than likely you probably have something in there that you can wear already. But I love this look. Again, the jacket itself is definitely a statement. Y'all can see the shoulders are very structured and pronounced. So I think this is kind of a nice way to play up on the structure of the dress, but doing it in a little bit more of like a girly chic way, still edgy because obviously you've got the leather Croc boots, you've got the, you know, shoulder pads in the jacket as well, but I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. This is a look that I would gravitate to, you know, like for church, or if I was just going to like brunch with family. I think it's gorgeous. I always feel really good in a sweater dress. Obviously, we're still here in the winter months. I know spring is slowly approaching, but you know, living in Boston, baby, you might be getting snow in April. So this is definitely a really good transitional look. Obviously, if you didn't want to do the boot, you could do a strappy heel. You could do a sandal, you know, if it was a little bit warmer where you are. But again, I think it's a really good kind of base outfit for look number 1. But for look number 2, I still again wanted to give us some simple, clean, classic looks. If you are someone who didn't necessarily want to do a dress, I think this next look will definitely be for you. So for look number 2, I actually took a pair of mom jeans that I got from Missguided. Super old, super long ago. I don't even think Missguided actually exists anymore, but any pair of mom jeans would do really well. I opted for a pair of jeans that weren't distressed here because again, I kind of wanted to give it just another clean, fresh look. And then I paired it with a white button down. Now actually this button down in particular is a like t-shirt dress type of option, so it is longer, but I loved the way that it looked to just kind of contrast the super boxy denim jacket as well. Now you don't have to obviously do like a super long white t-shirt, but I think any kind of button down underneath kind of does a really cool juxtaposition where it kind of looks like business casual. This is definitely something you could wear, you know, into the office. Obviously I kept a couple little buttons open because, you know, I'm not working in the office, so this is something that again I could probably wear out for brunch with the girls, grabbing a couple drinks, a day of shopping, whatever it might be. So I kept some buttons open, but definitely you could button up your shirt, wear it with the mom jeans, paired it with a nice little strappy nude heel, and then threw the jacket over top. Now you will notice with all of these looks, I did keep my jewelry kind of the same, just like my studs, hair up, but obviously have fun with the accessories. If you wanna, you know, trade in some hoops, could definitely do that. Change the hair look. It was just easy for me, y'all, to keep it all the same here. But again, I absolutely love this. This is definitely one that I think I'm going to pull out quite a few times during the spring season. I just think that the white button down is really crisp and clean. Again, the difference in length I thought was really fun to kind of play with. And then the mom jean. I think I saw this little trend on TikTok that, you know, some people, I don't know, some little boys that they were interviewing said they're over the mom jean. I'm here for it. I love the mom jean. I think it looks great. The fact that it's super clean and crisp pair of jeans, I'm into it. So look number 3, I wanted to switch gears up a little bit here since, you know, again, our first 2 looks were a little bit more chic and classic, maybe with a little bit of an edge here and there. But for look number 3, I actually wanted to go a little bit more like sporty, a little bit more of like my athleisure girl. It's actually the outfit that I still have on right now. So I paired the denim jacket with a 2-piece set from Skims. You guys probably have seen this on my channel before in a styling video that I did with Jefferson from Musonda Apparel here. So love this matching set. It might still be available on the Skims website. So if it is, I'll have it linked down below. But honestly, any kind of like 2-piece matching like athletic wear set I think is super cute. I know a lot of us, you know, are getting back into our fitness routine, but sometimes you have errands that you want to run afterwards and you kind of want to look cute, okay? Like you want to look put together. I'm actually going to wear this today to go get my nails done because I have to get my nails fixed. And I thought this was cute. Like it's a little bit extra for sure for some people, but it's like, why not? I didn't actually wear this to the gym this morning, but I think it's super cute. So I just did the 2-piece matching set, paired it with a pair of chunky socks that I got from Uniqlo, and then just threw on my Air Forces. Now I think any pair of sneakers would look really good with this. You could even do kind of like a crossbody bag underneath, a cute little bum bag. If you wanted to throw a hat on as well, definitely could do that. But this is one, again, I think for all my athleisure girls. I'm running to Pilates, but again, I want to look super cute and put together after my workout. This is definitely the look for you. I honestly would probably throw some shades on with this and just kind of keep my hair up like this, just because I think it's, again, super cute, very trendy, very easy to put together. It's really, really comfortable. Again, you've got the oversized denim jacket that's not too constricting. I don't know, I love it. And I love a good 2-piece set. They're just super easy and you don't really have to think about the outfit that much. And y'all know, I'm a Skims girly all day, every day. Skims is definitely a great place to look for, you know, the different matching sets. If you wanted to do something from like a Lululemon, an Aloe set, Amazon, whatever it might be. I just think any type of athletic wear kind of matching set with the sneakers, throw the denim jacket on top, chef's kiss. So when I think about look number 4, I honestly just think edgy, sexy, chic. Like this would be super cute for a date night, a solo date night, a date night with your boo, a date night with your girls, whoever you're going out with. But I just envision, you know, going to like a really sexy lounge, dim lighting, you know, great moody music. Maybe you're gonna go to like a cocktail bar afterwards and grab a couple little drinks. You know, if you're in the Boston area, think of like Lolita's for dinner. You finish up at Lolita's and then you head over to like Committee and then Empire to grab some drinks. This is definitely an outfit I would wear, okay? Setting the stage there, setting the scene, but I love this look. Again, y'all know I love an all black look. I think all black is always stunning, chic. I feel like most of us feel really confident and good in an all black look. So I just paired a turtleneck bodysuit. I think the one that I'm wearing in this clip is from Express, but I have a bunch of them from a whole bunch of different places. And then I have them paired with a pair of leather pants that kind of have like the split hem. I actually purchased these from Forever 21 years and years ago. Surprisingly enough, the quality on them are phenomenal. I've had them for a while, but any, you know, kind of leather pant, leather trouser will definitely look great. And then I just paired it with a pair of pumps that I got from Steve Madden. So again, keeping that monochromatic look, which I think any kind of monochromatic look, even if you didn't want to do black, you know, if you wanted to do an all white look, a neutral tone look, a pop of color, whatever it might be, the all monochromatic look, I think just makes it look, again, really put together, chic. The leather gives it a little bit of edge and some sexiness. And then you just, again, throw on the denim so that it's not too sexy, it's not doing too much. It definitely will allow you to kind of, you know, move into any different spaces, no matter the restaurant, the environment, or the event that you're going to. The denim jacket, I think, you know, kind of tones it down a little bit, but not too much. You know, it's not dressing it down too much that now you're like, I don't feel dressed up to go out. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully y'all are picking up what I'm putting down. But I love the monochromatic look. I love the all black look. Love leather. Definitely, like we said, leather is always gonna be pretty hot and trendy. I think this look is absolutely stunning. And then again, accessorize it as you please. Add necklaces, bigger earrings, other jewelry, all that good stuff. But look number 4, I absolutely love. Stunning. And last but not least, look number 5. Look number 5, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, is my favorite, okay? I know I said I love the athleisure look and it's one I'm going to gravitate to a lot, which I will. I'm gonna gravitate to all of these looks. These are all looks that are very practical for me and things that I would definitely wear, hence why I style them this way. But look number 5 is me. Again, if you know me, you watch my channel, you know me in person, look number 5 is me, okay? I love a good mixture of girly but edgy, funky and fun. I like to play with different silhouettes, different, you know, just different shapes kind of throughout my entire outfits. Look number 5 is definitely it. So in this look, I paired this kind of like graphic oversized tee from Black-owned brand On The Yard Official. It's a much longer shirt that I've definitely worn a couple different times here on my channel before. So I actually just tied it up and did like a quick little bra tuck. And then I'm actually wearing a tube dress, okay? It's a tube dress that I got from H&M, super old, but I just pulled it down all the way and kind of wore it a little bit lower on my waist to look like a maxi skirt, which again, if you watched that fashion trends video, y'all know maxi. The maxi is just all the rage right now. So I pulled it down just to wear it as a skirt. I've actually worn it like this a couple different times and I love it. I've been on the hunt for an actual skirt like that, but I haven't been able to find one quite yet. So if you know where I can find kind of like fitted, you know, kind of like spandexy, kind of like bandage type of feel, long maxi skirts like that, let me know down below. But absolutely love the way that this looks and definitely flatters everyone's body and everyone's shape. And then I just threw on my chunky combat boots that I got from Public Desire a couple years ago. You guys all know I love this boot. I've purchased it a couple times just because I don't ever want them to disappear and not be in my closet. But again, I just love the look of this. You know, it is obviously kind of like a skirt kind of feel, but it's edgy enough that, you know, the boots kind of go with the vibe of the jacket. But it's still casual, that you can kind of wear it anywhere. It's super comfortable. And if for whatever reason I wanted to kind of take it from day to night, I could definitely swap out the chunky boot for a strappy heel, a sandal, whatever it might be. So I love this look. Again, I think this is definitely not gonna be for everyone. It's probably not gonna be for everyone, but I think it'll be for, you know, the girls that are a little bit more kind of like risky in their fashion. Not to say that this outfit is like super risky, but you know what I mean. It's not gonna be for everyone to pair kind of a maxi skirt with a chunky boot like that and kind of wear it lower on the hip, but love the way that this turned out. Again, this is definitely my favorite of the 5 looks. I think it's definitely different, but it's also incorporating some of the other trends that we're gonna be seeing all of this year. So love all of the looks. I definitely think they give us a couple different options. Like I said, starting out a little bit more classic with the kind of, you know, sweater dress, and then we went a little bit more chic with the white and the denim, and then kind of switching gears and giving you that athleisure look with the 2-piece set, and then getting a little bit more edgy with, you know, our monochromatic leather look, rounding it out with this graphic tee, maxi skirt, and the chunky boot. But let me know. I'm curious to see what you all think of the looks. Let me know down below what your thoughts are and which one was your favorite as well. And all right, you guys, that is it. That's all I have for you for today's video. You all know I like to keep these definitely on the shorter side, as I joke and always say that, and then they still end up being 20 minutes. But I really do try to keep these on the shorter side because, again, I like them to just kind of be reference videos. If you're kind of in a bind and you're in a rush and you need to put an outfit together and you're like, okay, I want to put a fit together, I'm wearing an oversized denim jacket, what are some options? So I always like to kind of round up 5 different looks just to not overwhelm you and hopefully give you a couple of different options. Like I already said, let me know down below which look was your favorite. What are some things that you would style with an oversized denim jacket as well? Are there any looks that you're gonna kind of recreate? And if you do, please tag me. I always tell people, tag me and let me know if you recreate these looks anywhere on any like platforms. I am Norah Justin on everything, super easy to find. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will link what I can link down below. Y'all know I'm always shopping my closet. So if there's anything that's still available, I think the jacket is still available. Not gonna lie, it is a pricier item. It is a luxury item, but if you're interested, I'll have it linked down below for you all to shop as well. I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.